Today I'm talking about the number one thing that can help you earn millions online, and this is what the gurus don't want you to know about. Hi, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate from Deadbeat.com, and if you want to earn online income while you snooze, hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon right now. Okay, so earning millions online doesn't come to learning the next greatest tactic, whether it be affiliate marketing, SEO, Shopify, Amazon, FBA. While all of that is important, no matter what you do, it all boils down to this one thing. And that one thing is going the extra mile. All right, so there are going to become times in your business where you've given it your all. And after you give it your all, that last little bit is called going it the extra mile. Or in another example, for this YouTube video that you're watching right now, you can see I'm actually in Baden-Baden, Germany. I am going the extra mile for you guys here today to give it that special little something that isn't easily obtained unless you really push through to get to that next level. Now, it's not really coming out in my head. It seems a lot more elegant, but you can see I'm out here taking a risk just to really go the extra mile. Now, where I'm going with this is that let's just compare YouTube channels here. There are probably 1,000,001 YouTube channels about how to make money online. There are 1,000,001 affiliate blogs that sell various affiliate products. They're all essentially the same. The end product is the same, but it's the owner of that business that goes the extra mile to craft and tweak that little dial turn right there that makes all the difference. So ask yourself, what is that thing that you can do to go the extra mile in your business? Whatever it is. Do you have a Shopify store, Amazon FBA store, an affiliate blog, whatever it is, email list? What is that one thing that you can do to give it that unique little poof that makes all the difference? All right, guys, so really, I look back out of all the money I've made online, there's always a point where I think that I've kind of maxed it out. And if I would have stopped there, I probably would have only made 6 figures or so. But going the extra step is where you hit the 7-figure and hopefully 8-figure business, which I'm aiming for sometime in the near future. So it's all about going that extra step. So what is that for you guys? Just curious, comment below. What do you think that you can do in your business starting today to go the extra mile to give it that extra little bit of oomph? All right, guys, so my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Check out my most recent video right here. This is about something to do with earning passive income online. And hit that subscribe button. Of course, tick the bell icon. It's time for me to go take a nap somewhere in Baden-Baden, Germany. I'll see you deadbeats later. Peace.